One of the most fascinating facts about herpes simplex virus is its remarkable ability to establish lifelong latency and in the human nervous system, and the reactive under certain conditions, often years or even decades later. It's a perfect example of viral persistence and immune evasion. Let's dive into this. There are two main types, herpes HSV1 and HSV2. Herpes 1 typically causes oral infections, the classic so-called sore on the lips, and herpes 2 is more associated with genital infections, but both can infect either side due to changing sexual practices. No, anyway, after the initial infection, the virus travels along sensory nerves to reach the trigeminal ganglion for oral HSV or sacral ganglia for genital HSV. There, it enters a latent state, a kind of hibernate, sleep mode, in which the viral genome remains inside the neuron but does not predict active infection. Here is what makes it so biologically intriguing. During latency, herpes express almost no viral proteins, which means the immune system cannot recognize it, cannot see it. This allows the virus to hide indefinitely. Then, under stress, several conditions, fever, cold, ultraviolet exposure, actually controversial, hormonal changes or immune suppression, it can reactive, traveling back down the nerve to the skin or mucosa, causing recurrent lesions. Clinically, primary herpes infection can range from asymptomatic to severe gingivostomatitis or painful genital ulcers. Reactivation usually causes milder symptoms, but in immunocompromised patients or neonates, herpes can cause devastating disease such as herpes encephalitis or disseminated neonatal herpes. From a diagnostic standpoint perspective, PCR is the gold standard, while Tsang smear and serology have historical relevance. Anyway, therapeutically, acyclovir and its derivatives remain the cornerstone, targeting viral DNA polymerase and reducing replication, though they do not eliminate latent virus. So here is the key takeaway. Herpes simplex virus doesn't just infect, it coexists. It teaches us a profound lesson in virology. Actually in biology, why only virology? How a pathogen can become a long-term resident of the human body, silently waiting for the right moment to re-emerge. Understanding herpes latency, herpes simplex virus latency and reactivation remains one of the most important models for studying viral persistence, immunity, and neurovirology. Okay? Stay blessed.